Hello, hello, hello. All right. Hello everyone, welcome. So we're gonna be doing keep measures today. It's gonna be a revision like always for whoever is not here. If it's your first time, anyways. I'm currently already learning functional skills level 2 math. Feel free to ask questions with me even if you're not sure. We're here to learn. I'm not a teacher nor anything like this, so bear with me when I make mistakes and stuff. Uh, Everyone is welcome. So today we will be doing this from last time. Whoever wasn't here created this program, so now we can have the selection like there from there selected. This question we have done the last time. um, I'm also a bit sick, so sorry if my voice is not at the best. So okay, so without further ado, let's go. Also, I have added another thing in my application. We can now have circles. So basically, we can add squares. We can add pretty much the most things without it's cool, no? So now I can be like, okay, we're talking about this side and this side and this side, or this side, or this, or this, or this, or this, you know? Okay, so we have the question one. Composite area is made from a rectangle 12 by 5. So we need the rectangle. Rectangle is not here. Rectangle is on the 2D shape. So, is it really so? Yeah, rectangle is it. And then, alright, first of all, we have 12 meters. 12 meter by 5 meters. with a centimeter semicircle attached on the 5 meter side. So one of these side is like half of a circle, if it makes sense. Work out the total area. So now we need to find this part. So it's 5 times 12, which is what? 2 times 5 is 10. Then 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So it's 60 meter this. So the rectangle is 60 meters. Oh, just remember, when I was in the school and writing next to it what it is, especially in the shapes, it does help you like a lot, you know. So now we need to find the circle. So now when I have a full circle, I do pi r square, if it makes sense. And then the radius like is like half of them this, you know. But because we added the thing to circle, then I know this side is the ratio, you know, the radius, the radio, not the ratio. I'm on this. So if, for example, this distance was some number, we would be doing 5r. This would be the r. Here we have 5. So this bit is 5, but we want the half. So it's 2.5. So the half is 2.5, okay? So now for this, we're gonna do 3 3.14, which 3.14 is the pi. It's a longer number, but usually for this, when it's not specified, this is what it is, okay? 2.5 square, actually 1 second, I forgot one step. So we're gonna time it with the 2.5 square. So let's first do this bit, which gonna be 2.5 times 2.5 is what? Alright. So when it's like square, we need to multiply by the number itself. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit up So I'm gonna do here 2.5 times 2.5, and it's still not gonna be enough. So I need to bring it a little bit further out. 2.5. I feel like it's gonna be like 12.1 or 12.5 or something like this. But anyway, let's see. 5 5 is 25. Hold 2. 2 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Then we have the same number from this side. Sorry, I should have done this. 5, 7, 3, and 1. Then we have 2. Okay, so it's 13.75. So this become 13.75. So now we need to multiply this number with this number. So now if I do 3.104, pi r square. Okay, I'm just thinking now because okay, let's continue. Worst case scenario, we are going to be wrong, you know? I'm just thinking here, like, do after I do this, do I half it by 2 or no, you know? I mean, we can still, we are still learning something here. We are learning our multiplication. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 4 is 28. We hold 2. 7 times 1, 7, 9. Oops. 3 times 21. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3, 4. 3, 3 is 9. Now we write the 4, 1, and 3. Okay, so 7 plus 8 is 15. 9, 1, 10, 12, or 10, 15, 17. 1, 2, or 10, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 or 9, 10, 13, 4, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals. So it's like 43, 17, 5. So for this one should be this one, hopefully. Now we need to add this and this together to get the total area, if I'm right. So I'm gonna do the 60 here. So just gonna draw a line for you guys to see. Now this has been here. 5, 7, 1, 10. 103, 1750 meter square. Now let's go back and see if this actually is the answer. And again, I did it wrong. Three point times this 2.5, 2.5. Let's check something. 2.5 times 2.5 was 6.25. And how did I do that wrong, bro? Oh my days. 2 times 5, 2 times 5. 2. Fuck's sake, bro. Here I did wrong because I saw this. I thought, okay, this is the same number, but we do this. So in here, so here was 2 times 5 is 10. Hold on, 2 is 4 and 1 is 5. So we go 5 to 6. 2 decimals, 6.25. 6.25. So this was all wrong, almost like the but wrong values. So we go again 3.14 times 6.25. And let's go 20, 1, 5, 2, 7, 15, 2 times 4, 8, 2, 3, 2 is 6, 6 times 4, 24, 2, 6, 8, 6 times 3 is 18. plus 12 8 10 16 9 1 4 so then we time it with a 60 we add it. Bro, what? Half of the PR2. I'm starting to pull my hair. We got a 60 right. Semicircle radius 2.5. And not pi r square. I mean, to be honest, we did get composites shapes in my school, but I think this one is too difficult for the functional skills level 2, to be honest. Pi r square times 0.5. Mm. Pi r square is this. Pi r square kind of result. But this is for the full circle. Okay. So we need the half. So basically this is what does. Then we need all right. There is no point in sitting and overthinking about something that we cannot like full understand. Like I now like get this part. Now we need to get like the half of the circle, I guess. So for the half, we just half it like we did over there. So this half is 9.81. And then we add 60 Okay, so if we rewrite that, then we'll be problem. I just wanted to check what it does. Okay, so now we're going with this question. Perimeter with missing length. An L-shape figure. An L-shape figure has sides, this. So 4 sides and 1 missing side. So there are 5 sides. Find the missing length and then the perimeter. No, I don't really get, like, if this has like 10 and this has 6 and then 4 and 6, or is it 10, 6, 4, 6? There is one missing side. What does it mean, an L-shape finger? Okay, I'm just gonna Google to see if I can find any. Alright, so this is what it meant. So no problem. So let's see. So if we take 2 there and then we go there, 2 there, 1 up, 1 left, 1 up, and 1 this. Then like 10, maybe 6, 4, 6, 10, 6, 4, 6, 1. So if this 10, this is 6, this is 4. make no sense, because for example this 10 is the bigger one, so is it this one then? And then if this is 6, then it is easy to say, okay, this is 3 centimeter. Hmm. So if we have 10, this, maybe this is 4, this side here, then 6 is this side here, maybe the height, 6 plus 4 is 10, okay. Then one side is 6, maybe this one probably. But probably this one can be taller, right? But in case, because we're missing this side here, it won't really matter, as this side is this side, you know? So this one can be 3 centimeter. And then the parameter. So now we need to add 10 plus this 2 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. 29 centimeter. If I'm correct. Okay. It is 29 centimeter. The missing length. If this is not. Two vertical sides. Ten, 6, 4, 6. And just thinking. So here, let's say we have 1L. Then we can have one length like this, and then it's gonna be square if we turn it around, but the L is not exactly proper, it's more like this. But then if it's turned around, it can still like connect, no? Two vertical sides, so So if this has 10, then the other was 10. Which was from the 6 and 4. And it's weird, the L-shaped figure is like this, you know, like. So what try to do this, like we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Then we have 10. Then we also have a 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have what, a 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So this one is 6, this one is 4, and then if this is 6 and this line is 4, then this and this is 4, and this should be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But then this will have more sides, no? Why it is an L? Let's ask. I'm not reading that. We're still here, so it's not. plus 4 is what? This and this and this. Four, 8 plus 10, 28. I am it from this side. And we have 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. 10 plus 8 is 10. 18, and then what? 4 plus 4 plus 12. No, of course it's not. So this doesn't help us at all. So one side has 10, then you have another side which is like 6 and 4. No matter how you do it, it's gonna give us 10 because it says that two vertical sides must add up. So this is this 6, 4, and then there is a bottom. 10, 6, 4, and we're missing a 6. What if this was 6 here? Then it was so if this was 6, and 10 plus 10 is 20. Four plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4 is what? 6, 4. Then. So we have they got 10, 20, and another 10, so it's a total 40 then. Could be this one. Mm. So 10 plus 10, and we have 6 and 4. We cannot do anything because we are stuck. But why is the freaking left is 6? Honestly, I just don't get it. This is such a bullshit, honestly. Oh my days. Yeah, because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. If we type the L, yeah, the L, you guys tell me, okay? Or you can do it here. 1 second. Text L, okay? I'm gonna make it as big as possible. All right, so here we are. But So how, how this side here is longer, okay, than this left side here. I still visually don't get this part. Let's tell me something. Let's argue with it. Oh, I'm done, guys. I'm done, literally done. Like, since I changed the AI so I can do my math, the questions have been like literally 10 levels above me. It gives me a question that literally don't make a sense in maths. In maths, if you get a freaking ruler and you calculate one, what is it? And you calculate one, two, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 boxes. And if you say this is 5, then this is 5. You don't say, oh, in mathematical terms, this is not 5, it's 2.6, because in mathematical terms, because literally this is what it says to me, you know, like you have the L, this is the L. Don't say in the question you have an L shape, but it's not an L shape, it's a shape that it can go two lines like this, but it can also go down two lines like this, because if we take this side which look like this shape here, that it tells me that this is the one shape they need, then for sure this original L shape is not the same as the letter L. Is not, it's just not. You have 10 and then you have 6, 6 and 4. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. It just pisses me off, bro. Like, come on, man. I mean, at least, give me a freaking thing. Draw me this and tell me, okay, find the missing side. So I know, okay, this. Because in the paper, guys, the paper I done, they never tell you in wording, like, okay, get an L shape in your mind, okay? And you draw it. No, they give you this shape here, these values, and you tell you find the missing side, which they can write with X, whatever. So now if we take this into consideration, this shape here, just like you draw it, we have 10 plus 6 and 4, another 10. Then we have a missing 6, which was the missing. Then 6, 4, 6. Alright. Let us do 10 plus 6, 4 plus 6 plus and another 6. So then we do 10, 10, 20. 20 here plus 32. 52 centimeter. Can be asked, guys, sorry. Bro, I'm gonna pants it. Didn't we say 40? Didn't we say 40? Didn't I say 40 before? Bro, I'm gonna pants this guy, bro. What are we talking about? This is the reason. This is the reason. This is the reason I literally changed the eyebrow because I didn't want to waste my time. So let's go with the next one. Let's see. Oh, now we go to the prism. Wow, we're gonna have fun. The prism is even more difficult. Uh, six. Bro, why? The long is 20 meter long. Mm. Mm. At the base, centimeter. I know is base times the height divided 2, and then maybe time by 20 meter long. But maybe I need to do it by 2. This one by 2 before do it by this. Okay, let's try to do this. Base is 8 times 5 divided 2. 40 divided 2 is 20 times 2 for 2 tangle is 40, right? Then times 20, then is 800. Is E3 800 centimeter. No. So didn't have to time it. I didn't have to time it. So this bit here it was like this. And then what then? How to do was 20 times 20 is 400. Oh, and I even forgot to put my okay. A map use scale of 1 to 250. A path measures 14 static my 1 distance. I uses 1 of 250. Now what is the 1 and what is the 250 is the question. Is 1 the distance or is it 1 map is 250 something in the meters? Let me assume this is 14. So if this 14 centimeter and 250 times 14, can you draw 1 0? 0, 20, 0, 2, 10, 4, 8, 10, and then 0. And this is in meters 3.5. Let's see. Sorry, I forgot to put this. Okay, so no, if it's not this one, then it's the other way around. So in this case, what did they present? How did it disappear? Okay, so we had 1, 250. So if this was 14 here, divide this. Okay. So the first one was correct. I just didn't do the conversion correct. Okay. No. This is going to be for the next time, guys. Take care.